Welcome back to another video, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here. I'm trying to scream over this loud generator right now, but we have a Kia Soul that we're going to go ahead and do a full interior and exterior on. Alright you guys, so we just finished vacuuming the entire interior of the car. So now we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do trying to fix my hat here, make sure it's lined up right there. So I'm gonna do a kind of like, I'm gonna try to make lines. If you guys know what I mean. So I'm gonna try to make lines. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my lines whenever I do a carpet detail or whatever you want to call it. Just kind of add more value, add a little more style to add more swag to the detail. So I have here, this is 3D shampoo with a pump spray. So I don't have too much liquid. I'm not using too much because we're not doing the shampoo. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit of this on the carpet just so it brings out the lines and stuff a little bit more. And I have the drill here just in case I need to lift up the fibers because this carpet's not really like all thick and stuff like that. It's pretty thin. So every car is going to be different, so we'll see how this reacts. If it doesn't come out how I want to, then we'll just go ahead and not do the lines. And I also have the steamer here, make sure I don't spray it in my face. Also have the steamer ready to go right here, and then I just have a microfiber towel to follow up and stuff. So the way we're going to make lines is going to be with this blade here. So this is actually a plastic blade. You can find this on Amazon, Car Detailing Supply Warehouse, all that stuff. You just have a blade in there, and I use this to like remove stickers and stuff. I have a big pack. I actually have like 2-3 of these, and this is how we're gonna make our line. So you could also use a pet hairbrush. I know there's a car pet like square or something like that people use and then you make the lines with, but I like using this because it works just as good, and I have more control of this because it's a little smaller. Alright, so kind of just to show you guys what I mean by the lines. So these lines right here, no lines right there. So basically you want to spray a very little bit of chemical on there. You can even use water, but I like to use that because it adds a little bit of scent as well. So my lines are not straight by any means. I know some people use like an actual ruler type thing and they measure, and what I'm saying, I don't have time for that. So I just make the lines. As soon as the client opens the trunk, they're gonna be like, wow, it looks amazing, and it smells good as well. All right, YouTube. So now that my head's always messed up, man. So now that we have finished the entire detail, so we did the windows, we did the door jambs, we put tire shine on the wheels, clean the wheels, we did the interior detail, vacuum, made some quick lines and stuff like that. They didn't tend to look as good as I expected, but on cars like Mercedes or higher end vehicles, they always tend to look 10 times better. But anyways, so now we're ready for the sealant. So we're gonna go ahead and apply our Jazz Car sealant here with our applicator pad here. Now I have a confession to make, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully, y'all could probably see a little bit of hives. So I have a confession. So it's kind of embarrassing, I guess, but I'm low-key allergic to the cold a little bit, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So every time I come out here in the cold, I make sure I layer up, because whenever my body gets to a certain point where it's just too cold, I start getting really bad hives, and they get really bad, you know. So if you guys ever dealt with something like that, or know someone that's dealt with something like that, you know, I feel the pain, I feel the struggle, because it's not comfortable at all. You know, it gets itchy, and you start wanting to scratch and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and add this sealant here, apply it to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything in the van and let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off. So yeah, so pretty much full detail inside and out. We charge $130 for this detail here. I'm also recording with my phone. So I'm recording with my phone here. So you might have saw this tripod in a few shots in there, and that's because this is a very good tripod. So my girlfriend actually uses this for the gym. I bought it for her workouts and stuff like that. And now I'm like thinking, like, you know, I use this more than she does now. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just go ahead and buy me one of these. But if you guys have a phone, you guys need to invest in this tripod right here. I'm telling you, it'll make your life a lot easier. You can easily set it up. It's nice and small, lightweight. You can put it in the interior and show what you're doing and stuff like that. And it's better quality videos for your, you know, business. So I'm gonna make a reel based off this work here. So that's why, you know, I decided to record with my camera and my phone. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much it. I don't have too much else to say. Just, you know, invest in yourself, keep going, man. Hustle never settle. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video with some cool after shots here. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's get it.